I'm gonna sing two songs for today, and these songs are requested by Ma'am Jocelyn Arbasite. Arbasite or Arbacity. I don't know how to read this family name correctly. And she's going to dedicate this song to her husband, Dong El Arbacity or Albasite. Sorry, ma'am, ha. Di man ko kayo kabalo mo basa, God. Abot yung asesakto pagbasa sa imong family name, Arbasite or Albacity. Basta mo na, ma'am, ha. Alright, here we go. This is my first time to hear this song, guys, so kamo na lang mag-adjust, ha. Oh, i-practice na ako niya siya ganina. By the way, before I start this song, akong mama nagkuan man gud, nag-send og message sa Messenger. Mutana kung kanus daw na ako kanta ko nagtubod sa naubhang sapa. Unang napugos na jud ko kanta karon. So mali-mali jud ni pagkakanta, ma'am, kaya mao nga sabta na lang, ha. Akong kung di magkadimao, basta akong mama ang salad-sadan ani. Sa naughang sapa nahisama sa akong luha, naitos na og namala, dinhiniining mga mata, nagpabilin ni atong sapa. Second requested song by Ma'am Jocelyn Arbasite, and still she's going to get this song to her beloved husband, Dong El Arbasite. Just Another Woman in Love.
I'm strong.
I'm just another woman, just another woman, love. I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a far out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, like a feeler in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Alright. Maraming dagdagan salamat at pasensya na ma'am ha na labi na sa first song na daghang sablay og salamat sa pag-request ani na kanta. Bye-bye.